I feel so guilty because like it's something that I do enjoy, even though sometimes I'm lost. But it's like I like it. Like I don't know, like I see it. It's fun for me. Okay, like I see this as a game. I don't know
Yeah.
if you
I,
understand
I
what I'm
feel
trying to
it. I
say.
feel the same way. I think I used to play games when I was younger, but it just got so boring. And when I went into the software development, I felt like this is a game. I can play this game and actually get some money out of it, and it's more interesting. And you like it's way better than games, in my
No,
opinion.
definitely. I mean, if I already get excited because I can create a folder, like I'm like excited already to know what else can I do. And even right now on the exercise that I was doing, like it's on strings, and the first one was to like find the 54 character of like that string of Lauren Insu, something like that.
Yeah, it's
And
like
when it came out the T, I was like, oh my god, that's so cool! Like I was so excited. Like that's the thing. Like it makes me happy. Okay, whenever I manage to get things to work out, and it's like this is how I want to feel in my job.
these mindset concepts that you need to solve problems. That's way more important than just learning the code. Because you can ask ChatGPT about code, but you can't really ask ChatGPT about how you should think about solving problems and what mindset, like what I've learned over the years. You can't really ask ChatGPT, explain to me what will you learn over the years, and like you can't even ask that. I think this is way more useful than just a couple of lines of code.
At least I got like some perspective as well, like which I will definitely use tomorrow. Like if I didn't have this talk with you, I wouldn't have thought of like how will you solve it instead of like you need to go through everything, you need to like keep on reading, you need to do a lot of shit, and it's like yeah, there is a different approach to this,
Yeah,
which I will.
I learned this through the hard way because I used to start like, yeah, I will study everything, I will learn everything, I will know everything, but you end up with this problem that you don't have the time to learn everything. You don't have, when are you going to sleep? When are you going to do anything else? At the end of the day, it's not about learning or studying, it's just solving the problem. So, how can I solve this problem in the fastest possible way and smartest way so that I don't waste my life